Hi everyone, it's Amy Wilson and I am really excited to show you our purse and tote collection for the spring summer 2021 season. I'm going to go ahead and go through all of them and tell you what I like about them, and I'm going to start from the smallest to the largest. So this right here is our inspired crossbody, and I love this for a date night, or especially in the summer if you're just like going out for ice cream or you're just taking a walk down to the beach. You don't need to bring all the things. This is awesome. So let me show you it. What I love is the snap closure, the magnetic snap closure. It actually snaps. I've had flap purses in the past where it just kind of like hung like this as you walked, and it's so frustrating. So this actually closes. All right, let's unzip this guy. So first I want to show you this pocket right here. You can put your phone, your keys, your lip gloss, whatever you have right in there. And then this area here has some card slots and an ID window, and then more card slots, a change purse, and then an area for you to put your cash or your checkbook or whatever you want to carry with you. So that's exciting right there. I love this. So this is one of my favorites for the summer. If you need something a little bit bigger, we've got the classic day bag. And so it's a really cute, super small, very summery feeling purse. It does have a long strap, which I like because you can easily get it on and off no matter what kind of, sweatshirt, raincoat, whatever you're wearing. It slides on nicely. On the back, we have this cell phone pocket, just like the others that I'm gonna show you. And then it does have a zipper, and then it does have a zipper pocket on the inside. So there's the whole inside for you. And then this is the classic day bag. Next up, we have our organizing shoulder bag. This is a very classic 31 purse. We have had this forever, and it's one of my favorites, especially when I'm traveling. I like to use this one at Disney World because it's big enough to fit a lot of little essentials like tissues, your wallet, anything valuable that you have. But it's not like cumbersome when you're walking around with it. It's a very lightweight bag. It's just very easily sits on your hip, and I can sit with rides and sit down, get up, keep doing it all day long, and it doesn't bother me at all. So crossbody strap. If you haven't noticed by now, I'm a big crossbody fan. It's got this cell phone pocket in the back. It's got this awesome open pocket here, and then another zipper pocket here. It does have a zipper. It is a narrow bag, so it's a little bit hard to see inside. Then inside there's another zipper pocket and then two flat pockets. So funny story about this bag. There are so many pockets in here that I actually lost my cell phone in it one time. No joke. It was ringing and I was like, where is it? It was so funny. I think I laughed for probably 10 minutes at myself once I finally found it. So this is the organizing shoulder bag. And then if you need something a little bit bigger or you want something a little classier, then we've got this guy right here. This is the day by day crossbody. By the way, all of our crossbodies are completely adjustable with these guys here. And so this one is the distressed caramel, and this is our faux leather. And it does have the cell phone pocket in the back. Just like the inspired crossbody, it's got the two magnetic snaps, which I like. And then there is more space in here than I ever expected. So this is a brand new product, so I only saw it on like a computer screen at first. And when I got it, I was really excited about how much space there was in here. So we've got the zipper pocket and we've got two flat pockets in this one. So this is the day by day crossbody. I'm not sure, the next two, I'm not really sure which one is bigger. So I'll just start with this one. The distressed caramel again on this one. This is the Window Shopper limited edition. This is our best seller in the fall. So of course we're bringing it back for the spring because why not? It is an amazing bag. I used it for the entire fall season. I got so many compliments on it. I didn't really go many places, but every time I did, somebody really complimented me on the bag. So I love that it is crossbody, of course, but I love that you can just stick your elbow in there and just grab it when you're quickly like getting out of the car or something. You don't always have to have it around your shoulder. Cell phone pocket in the back, as always. Large pocket in the front here. This is where I would keep my keys because I do have a push button start on my car. And then we've got the zipper pocket there. So love this bag. It's one of my favorites. If you're liking the look of this bag, but you don't really love the faux leather, we do actually have it, the window shopper, in a bunch of different patterns as well that are fabric. This is the window shopper LTD, or limited edition, on my website. So there you go. Next up is the City Scene bag. So again, I'm not really sure which one of these is bigger, but here they are side by side, just to give you an example. This is more of a north-south bag, or a vertical, and this is an east-west, or a horizontal. So this is the ruby red pebble. Unfortunately, it's no longer available. This is from the fall, but this bag is available in some really pretty prints, including our peach. You see that peach over there? You could get it in a purse. How fun is that? So same situation. We've got the cell phone pocket in the back. We've got a zipper on this one. And then we've got the two flat pockets and the zipper pocket there. I do enjoy when the bag does not have a really dark lining. I don't know about you, but sometimes I dig and I can't find things. So here's a look at it on my shoulder. I have super slopey shoulders, so that's another reason that I love crossbodies, but this is a super cute bag and you can fit a lot in it. Okay, next up, I can't wait to show this one to you. This is like the it bag of the season. Ready? This is the Up Tote, and it's basically just a large purse. It does have the crossbody, which I love. It has the handles, which I love. Has the cell phone pocket on the back. Has this really awesome color blocking. Look at the camo, isn't it super pretty? And also, you guys, this is on the cover of the catalog, so you know it's awesome and it's a must-have. Because out of everything in the whole catalog, this is what they decided to put on the front. So definitely get this one. You will love it. I'm already getting so many raves from my customers. So huge, huge pocket in the front. Love it. There is a zipper on this one, and then a zipper pocket inside. But here is how big this is. It is a really great space. I actually have a little too much space, but I love it so much that I don't even care. So that's the Up Tote. Going up one size, we've got our modern tote. This is our black distressed pebble. Cell phone pocket on the back. This is like a really nice, classic, sleek tote. Very lightweight. There's not a whole lot of weight to this one. This could be easily a work bag, or you know, like if you have a work meeting that you need to travel for, this is a great bag to bring with you. But also would be great on the weekends. On the inside there, we've got a zipper pocket and two flat pockets. Again, there's no closure on this one, but I still really like it. I don't mind the no closure. I know some of you might, but so that is the modern tote. Speaking of work bags, I'm going to show you our Cindy tote. This was named after our founder, Cindy Monroe. This particular print is no longer available, but we do have, again, several that are really cute for spring. What I love about this is the padded straps. Those are really nice. The pockets on the side. And then the really nice space on the inside. This is your classic work tote, right? It does have 3 flat pockets and then a zipper pocket on the inside there, and there is a zipper closure on this. This is really just an awesome, awesome work bag. I can't even fit it in the shot, it's so big. So that is the Cindy tote. And then one last tote that I want to show you, which is perfect for the beach this summer, is our new Horizons Tote. This is our patchwork stripe. I love that the straps and the stripes really look really nice together and complement each other, but they're not the same color. To me, like, I really love that. I don't know why. Color blocking is like super, super my thing right now. So it is a big bag, big floppy bag, very lightweight, perfect for the beach. You can stuff it full of towels. If you have a large family, this is a perfect bag for you because you can fit a ton in it. So love the large handles. And then also, if you're small like me, sometimes depending on what you have in here, it might be easier to carry it by these side handles. So love that. Let me show you the inside. There is a zipper pocket. It is a tie closure. There's no zipper or anything. And then somewhere in here we go, we've got a little lobster claw for your keys so you don't lose those at the bottom of the bag, which, you know what? It's the little things that matter, isn't it? So this is the new Horizons Tote. So that's it. Please comment on this video and let me know which one of these awesome bags that I showed you is your favorite, and if there's any must-haves that you have or that you look for in a bag. Thanks so much.